Hello and welcome to a quick explanation on Adobe Dreamweaver CC. My name is Josh Pulsifer, and in this video I'm going to explain my experience in typing HTML and CSS for the first time with Adobe Dreamweaver, as well as a tutorial on how you can quickly link to files on your computer at the touch of a button. Let's go ahead and open up Dreamweaver CC. Before we begin the actual tutorial, I'd like to give an explanation on my experience with using Dreamweaver. First and foremost, if you've never typed HTML or CSS or have very little experience with it, I do not suggest starting out in Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is a very complex program with many features that allow advanced web designers to create powerful websites. However, if you are looking to get ahead in the job market as a technical writer, there are great advantages to being able to learn the ins and outs of Dreamweaver. Because Dreamweaver has features that other HTML programs don't have, you are able to create much more elegant and complex websites. Thus, many companies are looking for technical writers with skill in the program itself. I will be showing you a simpler feature that Dreamweaver has, which allows you to link to files that are on your computer by just a click of a button. So let's go ahead and create a new file, an HTML document type. Just for demonstration, we're going to go ahead and do an image command. And the moment you click equal, you're going to see this browse box appear. The moment you click on that browse box, it's going to take you to your Finder if you're on a Mac. I suggest that if you are working on an HTML document, that you have all the files that you are going to work on in a convenient location. In my case, I have a picture of me and my wife from an engagement photo shoot right on my desktop that I do want to include in this document. You go ahead and click open, hit OK, and at that point you have the direct link to the image wherever it is on your computer, as long as you browse to the right file. The moment you close that bracket, the link will be complete. Once you navigate over to the Live tab, you'll be able to see the result of the command that you typed. And that is how you can conveniently link to any file found within your computer on Dreamweaver CC. Thank you for watching.